Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating freelancing and service marketplace website with WooSell services. With WooSell services, you can manage your freelancing and service marketplace in just one spot. So you can create and sell services, you can track their status, and you can communicate with your clients. So let's just dive right into it and explore this plugin. And this is the website of WooSell services, and here you can see that you can make freelancing or service marketplace website with ease with WooSell services. So the whole process is just a breeze because it has got multiple features and it's just one solution, so you can save both time and money. And here you can see that with WooSell services everything is organized and you have full control over everything. If not, everything is just messed up. So let's now go and see what they've got. WBCom has set up and designed a demo site where they showcase the features that WooSell Services plugin has got, and this is a good platform to go here and try out this plugin for free and make a well-informed decision and understand if this plugin is what you need. So this is that demo website. In this My Account page, you can see the dashboard that the admin has got, and now let's go to the services. And here you can see that these services are displayed here just like any other WooCommerce product. So let's click on one of this. Let's say this Figma design, and on top you can see that you can edit this product. So let's click here and we are directed to our WordPress admin dashboard, and here you can see the title of our services, the description that we need to write about it, some requirements, questions, and here by default WooCommerce has and offers only this virtual and downloadable checkboxes, while with WooSell here you can see that this service tab is added, which allows to insert also delivery date and requirements, questions sections here. So here you can see that you will need to provide the estimated timing days. Here you can also write some additional notes to your services and whatever you want here. So, and afterwards, if you do some updates and if you change something here, you will just need to update it here and just go back to your service page and it will be updated right here. Now I'm logged in as a customer, and if we go to this My Account page and go to services, just like any other WooCommerce product purchase maker, customers can see the services they have bought and they can interact with the vendors. That's a very unique feature about WooSell services. So here you can type anything that you want, any request or concern. You can also choose files from here and you submit, and your vendor will see your message here and he will contact you or immediately change the delivery date and time. So that's it from here. WBCom Design has set up another website for demonstrating the features that WooSell Services plugin has got. So this is a multi-vendor site, and here everything works pretty similar to the other demo website that we have shown you. So here I will just log in as a vendor and see what we have got here. So after logging in as a vendor, I will just go to My Account page, and here you can see this service provider section, and if we go here we can see all the services that we currently offer. So let's click here, view, and here we can see that we can update delivery date, and if we have some order requirements here, in this case there is none, but we can also set up some here. Let's go back to our vendor dashboard. For this, you will need to go to dashboard and click here on go to vendor dashboard. And here comes the most interesting part, that you can add services on front end. So here you will just need to click here on products, and you will need to add a new product as a service, of course. So here you will need to upload an image of your service. You will need to name it. So let's say it's Figma design. You will need to set the price and the discount price if you want. And also in this category part, you will just need to choose service as your product. category, and then write some text and also description about your service, and that's it from here. That's it about WooSell services, and if you've still got any questions concerning this plugin, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. See you next time, bye!